Hi, I'm Jimmy Dill, CEO of Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air. We have some of the best warranties in the industry. You know we've been in business since 1945, and you don't stay in business that long without standing behind your work. We have front pricing. We don't start the work until you approve the job. With Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air, we have some of the utmost experts in the field. They'll get to your home, diagnose the problem, and fix the problem as soon as they possibly can, so that you can be comfortable in your home. To schedule your service call today, call Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air at 214-324-8811, or you can visit us online at bakerbrothers.plumbing.com, where great quality meets great service.